Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Are you eager to unlock YouTube monetization and start making money from your videos? Well, you've come to the right place. In this ultimate guide, we'll show you how to get monetized easily on YouTube. First things first, let's talk about the requirements. To be eligible for YouTube monetization, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. So, start by creating awesome and engaging content to attract viewers and grow your subscriber base. Next, focus on optimizing your YouTube channel. Make sure your channel art is eye-catching, and your channel description clearly reflects your content. Don't forget to add relevant tags and keywords to your videos, as they help YouTube understand your content better. Now, it's time to master your video production skills. Invest in a good camera and microphone to ensure high-quality productions. Create engaging thumbnails and attention-grabbing titles that will attract viewers. Remember, the more watch time your videos get, the closer you are to monetization. Engagement is key. Interact with your audience by responding to comments and create a sense of community. Encourage your viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. The more engagement you have, the more YouTube will prioritize your videos. Lastly, don't forget the importance of consistency. Upload regularly and stick to a schedule to keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Over time, you'll be able to unlock monetization and start earning money from your passion. Thanks for watching this ultimate guide to unlocking YouTube monetization. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Happy creating and good luck on your monetization journey.